basics electromechanical relay. An electromechanical relay uses a physical moving part to connect contacts within the output component of the relay. The movement of this contact is generated using electromagnetic forces from the low-power input signal, allowing the completion of the circuit that contains the high-power signal. The physical component within the electromechanical relay commonly makes a click sound, which can actually be useful in some situations, though it can lead to internal arcing and takes a relatively large amount of time to move.